Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best AED account Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Investors consider the dirham to be among the world's most stable currencies in terms of exchange rate stability. It has been pegged to the United States dollar since 1973. Because the country relies on the oil industry, officials see it as advantageous to peg its currency to the US dollar. Remember, oil prices are denominated in US dollars. By pegging its currency against the greenback, the UAE government can reduce the volatility of its exports. The country's economic indicators and current account should be maintained at optimal levels to maintain the peg. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the top 5 best AED account Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best AED account Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have OctaFX. OctaFX is an online broker that was established in 2011. As OctaFX is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, or FCA, over 300,000 traders use OctaFX as their preferred financial broker. Specializing in trading and offering services through Forex, index CFDs, commodities and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader platforms, which are supported on web-based browser applications, Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Their accounts feature MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader accounts, with floating spreads, lower minimum deposits, a variety of tradable market instruments, hedging, scalping, advisors, and more. OctaFX also provides their very own educational panels, which covers the basics to Forex trading, a collection of video tutorials, market insights and news, technical analysis panels, an economic calendar, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading education and knowledge with OctaFX. At number 4 on our list is FPMarkets. FPMarkets is an Australian fully regulated online financial broker, was established in 2005, serves over 1,200 clients around the world, and connects traders to the markets through electronic bridges and DMA pricing models. FPMarkets offers traders access to trade over 13,000 products ranging from Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with a variety of tradable market instruments, access to their mobile applications, virtual private servers, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FPMarkets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies, a trader's hub that delves into various fundamental and technical analytical news, trading guides, market insights, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with FPMarkets. Coming in at number 3, we have Dukascopy. Dukascopy is an online fully regulated financial broker located in Geneva, Switzerland, with operating offices in Zurich, Riga, Hong Kong, Kyiv, Moscow, and Kuala Lumpur. Regulated by the Swiss Ministry of Finance, Dukascopy offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, indices, stocks, bonds, energies, commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on the Forex and MetaTrader 4 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on LiveFX, Current Swiss Bank, and Gold accounts, which are available in both live and demo accounts, with a variety of available account options for general Forex, binary options, and other trading. Dukascopy's accounts are tailored specifically to different types of trading and investment activity. Dukascopy also provides their very own learning center, which features beginner educational video tutorials that delve into topics such as platform functionality, various how-to guides, webinars you can sign up to, market news and analysis panels, as well as a large repository of written trading articles for you to browse through if you are looking for more trading education and to expand your knowledge with Dukascopy. At number 2 on our list is Swissquote. Swissquote is an online fully regulated financial broker, regulated by the Swiss Federal Financial Market Supervisory Authority, and is a member of the Swiss Bankers Association. Founded in the year 2000 with its headquarters located in Switzerland, over 400,000 traders choose Swissquote as their preferred financial broker. Swissquote offers traders the ability to trade in Forex, CFDs, and options on a variety of asset classes, which include currency pairs, FX options, metals, indices, commodities, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on Swissquote's Advanced Trader platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Standard, Premium, Prime, and Professional accounts with lower spreads, no commissions, expert advisors, access to over 200 Forex and CFD instruments, and more. Swissquote also provides their very own educational section, which features courses in financial trading, a variety of downloadable ebooks that delve into introductions, risk management, among other trading topics, webinars that you can sign up to, as well as a trading glossary for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with Swissquote. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best AED account Forex brokers, we have Forex.com. Forex.com is a one-stop shop for Forex traders, providing a massive range of tradable currencies, low account minimums, and an impressive trading platform. Forex.com offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, indices, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as Forex.com's advanced trading platform for web, Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Accounts are provided on standard, commission, direct market access, and swap-free accounts, with access to their web and mobile platforms, lower Forex fees, a variety of tradable currencies, an active trader program, and more. Forex.com also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a wide variety of educational themes, such as risk management, technical and fundamental analysis, a beginner's trading guide that features educational videos, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with Forex.com. And those are some of the top 5 best AED account Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.